Puda Chameleon frame, 5" from Banggood. Comes in a really nice package, as you can see. Really cool. He's flying with a 35 megahertz radio. Looks awesome. As you can see, I haven't even opened the box yet. Let's take a look. Rubber things for the battery holder. I suppose this is the top plate, this is the mono plate. Well, actually feels quite stiff. I also have the Puda Stingy frame. These are obvious knockoffs of the of the real frames made in China, but these are so cheap that I wanted to try these. It's like 30 euros or something like that. I can't remember the price I paid for this. Here's the aluminium parts. It doesn't come with any instruction manual. I don't have the actual Chameleon frame, so can't really compare these, but this is a piece of plastic. These go under the arms. I'm not gonna use those in a way, but no, this is probably for going on top of the FC, and these are standoffs for it, but I won't be using those as well. So, and some screws and one red standoff. So you can adjust the GoPro angle with this, and the FPV camera angle with this. I'm not sure how it's on the original Chameleon frame. Maybe it's not like this. I'll have to check on the internet. This is where comes the tricky small screws come in. I suppose they're like M2 sizer. So you need a 1.5mm hex key for the small screws. Go onto the GoPro plate. I will use the short ones. Maybe a little bit longer one. Oh, there's only two sizes. These small screws are, for me, the weak part of the original Chameleon frame. I'd like to have some bigger screws, or at least buy some spare ones. When you go flying, you will end up crashing and losing these small ones. Also, the aluminium parts are like a small weak point. We'll see how long it lasts. Maybe some thread lock would be nice, or screw cement. Then again, these hex screws are bad. Go bad really easily. So now there's like two holes. I'm putting it the wrong way. Sorry. Suppose this is the front end then. Oh my god, this put together with the small screws as well. The long ones. As you can see, my old hex tool is pretty worn already, so it's just spinning around in the socket. Have to test this other one, if it's any better. There seems to be no grip whatsoever. Oh, I hate these small ones. This type of tool that looks like a screwdriver, it's so much faster to use, but oh well. Just seems to go nowhere. Top plate. And here is the rear part. I actually like this design on the frame. Finally somebody's paying attention to the VTX antenna placement. Seems to be a common problem on many frames. Is it supposed to go this way? And the top plate attaches with these 4 small screws and normal ones in the back. The finish on the top plate is far from perfect, but it does look a little bit better than the old ones from Banggood, the TCR frames and the real ACC ones. Top plate is 2 mils or less, and the arms are 4.5. These things are actually quite useful. You don't have to use Velcro on your batteries anymore. Just put this kind of sticky tape on the top plate, and I've used 2 straps from my battery down. It's been fine. There's also one for the GoPro plate. It's probably ruined now. I've done it like this is the 3rd time. There they sit. Okay, I suppose this is now ready for the FC parts. Actually looks pretty good. Do the good old flex test. It doesn't feel like the high-end frames do, but it's okay for a $30 or $40 frame from Banggood. Then again, why would you buy a knockoff frame like this for $40 when you can get the real one with lifetime warranty on the carbon parts for like, well, it's like 120 euros, so it's quite expensive. And if you break some of the carbon parts, you have to wait for the new replacement parts for a long time. So that's why I bought the copy frame, just for testing it out. So how does the adjustment even work? Like that. I think it's different on the actual frame. I'll have to check on the... This is just an adjustment for the GoPro. You can tighten it down.